Tired of your website visitors getting lost in a maze of content? Let's fix that. First, head over to your Wix editor and look for the Add Elements button on the left-hand side. It looks like a plus sign. Click on Add Elements and a panel will pop up. Scroll down, or use the search bar within the panel to find search. Wix offers a few built-in search bar designs. Browse and choose the one that best fits your website's aesthetic. Click and drag your chosen search bar onto your desired location, typically in your website's header or navigation area. Now click on the search bar you just added. A settings panel should appear here. You can customize things like the placeholder text, search results page, and even connect it to Wix's site search app for improved performance. Finally, once you're happy with the placement and settings, hit the Publish button in the top right corner of your Wix editor. And that's it. Your Wix website now has a functional search bar, making it much easier for visitors to find exactly what they're looking for. This significantly improves the user experience and even boosts your Wix SEO. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Wix tips.